How to factory reset a CRT SS6900 radio ham radio. You're going to want to do this reset to factory default settings for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues with this radio not working properly, having issues with the signal, not responding to things, stuff like that. The other reason you might want to do this is if you've changed some settings on it, you can't get it figured out what you did, and you just want to basically go back to the way it was when it came out of the box. We can go ahead and do that really easily. All we're going to do is we're going to turn the radio off, and then we're going to come and press and hold the scan and the function buttons. And we're going to press and hold these two buttons simultaneously while we turn our radio back on. We're going to continue to hold this until we see on the screen it will say RES, indicating that it is resetting, and we can release these buttons. Just let it do its thing, and then when it's finished resetting, it will come up with on the screen, it will say REND, indicating that it has been reset, the factory defaults have been restored, and then you can go ahead and start using this like a brand new device.